In this video, you'll learn how to create a recipe book in Notion. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to set up your own personalized recipe collection using Notion's templates and features. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account if you do not have. If prompted, sign in using your Notion credentials. After you successfully log in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. Here, you will find a clean interface with various options for creating and organizing your content. Next, locate the drop-down menu at the left side of your screen. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. This menu allows you to navigate through your existing pages, databases, and templates. After that, click on Templates from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the template gallery where you can explore various pre-made templates that Notion offers for different purposes to find a suitable recipe book template located within the template gallery. This section features a wide range of user-created templates that can enhance your Notion experience. Once you are in the marketplace, type recipe book into the search bar. As you enter the text, suggestions may appear. Wait for the results to load and then review the available templates that match your search. Choose a template that appeals to you. Click on the template of your choice to view more details. This page will provide an overview of the template's features and layout, helping you make an informed decision. Now, click on the Add button associated with the selected template. This action will initiate the process of adding the chosen template to your workspace. Next, click on Add to Private. This option ensures that the template is added to your personal collection within Notion, allowing you to customize it as needed. After this, you will see a message indicating that the template is being added. Wait for this process to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the template is ready, you will receive a confirmation message stating that the template has been successfully added. This confirmation lets you know that you can now begin using the template. Now click on See Template to view your newly added recipe book template. This action will open the template in your workspace, allowing you to start customizing. To begin using your recipe book, click on Want to Try. This option will guide you through the initial setup process, enabling you to personalize your recipe collection. Next, click on Perfected to finalize any changes and save your setup. This step ensures that all your modifications are stored correctly. Finally, click on All Recipes to access your complete recipe book. Here, you can start adding your favorite recipes, organizing them into categories, and making use of the features provided by Notion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.